In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the hood hinge on this Ford Ranger. It's best if you do this with a helper so that someone else can hold the hood while you take this off, but if you leave the other side on, this should also be doable by yourself. Let's get started. I'm going to start by putting a rag down here, something to protect the paint if this hood or the corner does happen to fall down. Next, I'm going to take these two 8mm bolts off of the hood part. Then take the hood hinge off of the firewall. All the bolts are exactly the same, so no need to keep them separate. At this point, if you can prop the hood up with something, go ahead, so you can remove or have both hands to be able to remove the bottom part of the hinge. There's one bolt. And the second one. Now, you can pull the hinge right out. And there you have it. Now if you had your new hinge, you would slide it back in, and it should have left some marks, or, well, I guess the firewall won't be painted in the area of the hood hinge, so put in whatever bolt lines up first. Try to get it as close as possible. I'd say that's pretty spot on right there. I can let go and start in the other one. This still moves around, which is important because, well, you need it to line up the rest of it. Okay, that one's snug. And that one as well. Now you want to grab the hood and try your best to line these up. Looks like this one slid right in. Thread this one on as much as you can by hand, so you have the lowest possible chance of the hood kind of falling off of this hinge. Now tighten them both up. Try to line up the bolt marks as well as the hood hinge right where it was. Looks like my hinge has to come out a little bit like that. It was right about here. Okay, once you snug one, the other one should be able to slide right in the rest of the way. Make both of them snug, and there you have it, hood hinge replaced.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ, the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.